For the first time in history, one World Cup, three countries, one tournament so big, no single nation could hold it alone. The 2026 FIFA World Cup is being hosted by the United States, Canada, and Mexico, and that decision did not happen by accident. This is the biggest World Cup ever played. 48 teams, 104 matches, and a tournament spread across an entire continent. But here is the question every new fan is asking. Oh, why three countries? Why not just one? To answer that, we need to go back to where this idea was born. FIFA had a problem. The 2026 World Cup was going to be enormous. They were expanding from 32 teams to 48 for the first time ever. That meant more matches, more stadiums, more fans, more everything. No single country could realistically handle that scale on short notice. So FIFA opened the bidding. And in 2018, a joint bid from the United States, Canada, and Mexico won the hosting rights, beating Morocco in the final vote. It was a historic moment. Three nations, one shared dream. The matches are spread across 16 cities, 11 in the United States, including Los Angeles, New York, Dallas, and Miami, 2 in Canada, Toronto and Vancouver, and 3 in Mexico, Mexico City, Guadalajara, and Monterrey. The final, it will be played on July 19th at MetLife Stadium in New Jersey, one of the largest stadiums on the planet. Here is something that makes this even more special. Mexico is actually making history twice. They are the first country ever to host the World Cup 3 times, having previously hosted in 1970 and 1986. And Canada, this is their very first time hosting a men's World Cup ever. The United States last hosted in 1994, the tournament that broke attendance records that still stand today. This tri-host model is not just logistically impressive, it sends a message. Football, the world sport, is finally fully arriving in North America.